Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious red wine sangria at home. We will go through selecting the perfect ingredients, mixing them together, and chilling your creation to perfection. This easy guide will help you craft a refreshing beverage that is ideal for any gathering. Get ready to impress your friends and family with this delightful, fruit-infused drink that is simple to prepare and always a crowd pleaser. To begin, you will need one standard 750 milliliter bottle of dry red wine. A Merlot or Tempranillo works wonderfully. Gather about 2 to 3 cups of your favorite fresh fruits, like sliced oranges, apples, and berries. For an extra kick, incorporate 1/4 cup of brandy or orange liqueur. Finally, have 1/2 cup of orange juice and 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar ready to complete your ingredient list. Now, let's mix everything together. Start by placing your chopped fruits, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1/4 cup of brandy into a large pitcher. Gently muddle the fruit for about 30 seconds to release its wonderful juices and aromas. Next, pour in the full 750 milliliters of red wine and the 1/2 cup of orange juice. Stir all the ingredients thoroughly until the sugar has completely dissolved, ensuring a well-balanced flavor. The final, crucial step is chilling your sangria. For the best flavor, refrigerate your pitcher for a minimum of 4 hours. If you have the time, letting it chill overnight truly allows the fruit flavors to meld beautifully with the wine. When you are ready to serve, pour the sangria over ice in your favorite wine glasses or tumblers. Garnish each glass with a few fresh fruit slices or a sprig of mint for an elegant touch. Enjoy your homemade sangria.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.